Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back in the session of sounds of consonants and vowels in English alphabet. In this video, we will learn the sound of letter M. Okay? So let's start. Dear students, in English alphabet, the letter this we call M and write as this. This is a capital letter, capital M, and this is small m, like this. Okay, but the sound of this letter is M. Mo. Okay, clear? So dear students, let's practice of this sound. Let's start. Let's start. M, a, ch, mat. M, a, sh, mash. M, a, k, make. M, a, crow, macro. M, a, magic. Mat. Man. Meal. Medal. Media. Mind. Mirror. Might. Mix. Middle. Mop. Mock. Mouse. Mood. Mobile. Muse. Mud. Much. Music. Must. So dear students, do practice with this video and get perfection on the sound of letter M. I hope you have enjoyed the video. We will meet soon with the sound of next letter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.